Once upon a time, in the lush, vibrant jungles of Wonderwood, lived Ellie the elephant, Max the mouse, and Andy the ant. Despite their differences in size and strength, they shared an unbreakable bond of friendship and a love for adventures. One sunny morning, as the dew glistened on the leaves, the trio stumbled upon a mysterious ancient map, hidden beneath the roots of an old banyan tree. The map led to the legendary rainbow crystal, a gem said to grant the finder their heart's deepest desire. Fueled by excitement and dreams, Ellie, Max, and Andy embarked on the quest of a lifetime. Their journey was filled with challenges that tested their courage, wisdom, and the strength of their friendship. They navigated through whispering woods where the trees told tales of old, crossed the Mirror Lake, where reflections revealed inner truths, and finally reached the Crystal Cave, guarded by the wise old owl, Ophelia. Ophelia posed a riddle. True treasure lies not in what you find, but in what you give. What is it that you can offer? Puzzled, the friends pondered deeply. Then Andy, with his heart full of love, offered a grain of food, the most precious thing for an ant. Max, with his spirit of generosity, offered a piece of cheese, his favorite treasure. Ellie, with her immense kindness, offered to share her strength to help others. Ophelia, moved by their selflessness, revealed that the rainbow crystal was the journey itself, their friendship, courage, and the joy of giving. The real treasure was the love they shared and the memories they created together. Triumphant and enlightened, Ellie, Max, and Andy returned home, their hearts richer than ever. They realized that together, they could overcome any obstacle and that the greatest adventures were those shared with friends. This story, The Quest for the Rainbow Crystal, is a testament to the power of friendship, courage, and kindness. It's a magical addition to Tiny Dimples Diary, promising to enchant our young viewers and inspire them to cherish the bonds they have. Let's dive into this adventure together, and remember, the most precious treasures are found in the journey and the friends we make along the way.